Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Lexus LS400. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, a serpentine belt tool, and a jack. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal before you begin. Make sure the engine has completely cooled down to avoid burns. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Next, you'll need to gain access to the alternator. Use a serpentine belt tool to release tension and carefully remove the belt. You might need to unbolt a few components, such as power steering lines or air intake parts, to create enough space. Once clear, disconnect the main power wire and the smaller electrical connector, then remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Now it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position it into the mounting bracket, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Reinstall and tighten all the mounting bolts securely. Reconnect the main power wire and the smaller electrical connector, making sure they are snug. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, using the tensioner tool to create slack. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Lexus LS400 and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging voltage, which should be around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. This confirms your new alternator is working correctly. Remember to check the description for links to tools, parts, and other deals, including the Oala water bottle to keep you hydrated during your projects. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.